Opposite the Gary's plight is a city, a different part of the world, Sydney. They're experiencing a boom in property values, and that could spell bubble trouble if left unchecked, and the government may find it hard to keep a lid on the prices. Investors are in a buying frenzy, even as the economy starts to slow down. Hannah Belcher reports from Australia.
It's shaping up to be another hot Saturday for Sydney's property market. The reserve price is 3.75 million Australian dollars.
Is there any better offer? About $4 million only. Quickly. Done.
Like most buyers in this current buoyant market, Claude Ferraris pays over the reserve, securing the building for $4 million.
I probably paid a little bit more than I was initially expecting to, but in this current market, to secure a good property, you probably need to pay a bit of a premium. Record
low interest rates have triggered a double-digit increase in Sydney house prices over the past year. Take this tiny one-bedroom suburban warehouse, for example. This month it sold for more than $1.1 million, well above its reserve. Another record sale for this city fringe neighbourhood.
Whilst ever interest rates are at the level they're at, you'll see Sydney property to continue to grow. Serviceability's there. As I said, money's cheap, so at the moment, and whilst ever people can service these loans freely, I expect the property market to continue this way.
The International Monetary Fund has been in the country this week and says Australian regulators need to closely monitor the situation.
Yeah. There's always a risk that when you see prices increase, that if these are sustained, these increases over a prolonged period of time, and they're accompanied by a rapid increase in credit growth and turnover, that this could lead to a self-reinforcing price dynamic and price overshooting.
House prices were saved from a potential crash during the global financial crisis by the mining boom and government stimulus. But with mining investment now tapering off, real estate expert Dr. Nigel Stapledon doesn't think this latest property frenzy will last long.
We're seeing income growth, which was very strong, falling away quite significantly, a bit of upward pressure on unemployment. So the macro environment is a lot more uncertain going forward.
Australian property prices have survived many predictions of a crash in the past. However, one unbreakable law of the market remains. What goes up eventually comes down. Hannah Belcher, CCTV, Sydney, Australia.